Hey, watch me sew along with me, or just hang out with me. Today I'm sewing this pattern that I got off of Etsy. It was actually super easy to follow and really beginner friendly. I learned a lot while making this dress, but I really enjoyed making it. And of course there's some mistakes in it, but this is one of the best pieces that I've ever made, and I'm super proud of it. So I'm gonna rate this project a 10 out of 10, so let's get sewing. Of course, first you have to print it out. Make sure when you print it that the little box in the corner measures correctly. This was actually my third time printing it out because I messed it up so bad. As I was sewing it, I had to plan around some stuff because I only bought half a yard of this floral black one. Really wanted to use it for the entire dress, but I obviously didn't get enough. That's because it was so expensive. It was like $26 a yard, I swear. Gotta hydrate. This was also my first time using interfacing. This is the one that you have to iron on to the fabric. Somehow I messed that up though because it wasn't really sticking. I ended up sewing it on. But anyways, yeah, so the top fabric was so expensive I ended up just getting a cheaper black fabric for the bottom. I say cheaper, but it was still like $17 a yard and I got 2 yards. So this is my first time using interfacing to make a dress, and all I can say is I'm really impressed and I can't see myself making a dress without this. I mean, look how sturdy this cup is. Oh, it rests and it stays. Oh my gosh. This is phenomenal. 10 out of 10, recommend. And it's actually pretty easy to work with and to sew through. So yeah, I like it. Now I'm just gathering the skirt, which I recently learned how to gather fabric, and I was so intimidated by it, but it's actually so easy. You just make 2 long stitches and pull. This is what the inside of the corset top is looking like. It does give you the options to add like bones or whatever. I did not do that. But this is the final product. I made it for my friend, so the straps don't fit me perfectly, but they should fit her perfectly if I did it all correct. In the end, I do like the 2 different fabrics, the floral and then the plain. I think if I did it all floral, it would have been a little too much. So I am actually really happy with it. There's some parts I messed up, like in the zipper, you could still see the white interfacing for some reason. But yeah, thank you for watching if you made it this far. Please like and subscribe and do all of that stuff. Love you!